సైన్స్ ఇంగ్లీష్ రెండు ఉంటాయి కదా.
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ చిల్డ్రన్స్, గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఎవ్రీవన్. సో class 4th class students, that is 11th lesson have been completed for you, that is as free as a bird. So 11th lesson, that is as free as a bird. So in this lesson here what we have learned, that the once upon a time in Kapilavastu, Suddhodana and he was the king of a Kapilavastu. So we have learned this lesson. అంటే ఒక పక్షిని, ఒక స్పాన్ని ఇక్కడ who will beat with arrow, దేవదత్ కొడతారనమాట. ఈ లెసన్ మనం హోల్ లెసన్లో ఏం చదివాము, ఎవరికి హాని చేయొద్దు, మూగ జీవరాశులకైనా ఎవరికైనా హాని చేయొద్దు. హాని చేసినా, ఒకళ్ళు హాని చేసినా ఇంకొకరు ఏం చేయాలి, దాన్ని సేవ్ చేయాలి. ఒకళ్ళు హాని చేశారని చెప్పి ఇంకోళ్ళు అలానే మూర్ఖంగా ప్రవర్తించొద్దు. సో ఇఫ్ ఎనీ వన్ హార్మ్ ఎనీథింగ్, దట్ మే బి డాగ్, సో యూ ఆల్సో, మీరు కూడా వీటిని హార్మ్ చేయొద్దు, అంటే ఏం చేయొద్దు, సో వీటిని రక్షించాలి కానీ ఎప్పుడైనా దెబ్బతీయొద్దు. ఓకేనా? సో హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ లెర్న్ ద లెసన్. సో వీ విల్ మూవ్ టు ద సమ్మేటివ్ అండ్ ఫార్మేటివ్ అసెస్మెంట్. సో హియర్ we will move to the summative and formative assessment. Okay, the lesson number 11. So that is page number 53. So first one is read the story and answer the following question is there. So here what is there, read the story. Here we have read the story. So what is asking to answer the following questions? Is asking to follow the questions. What did people come why did people come to King Suddhodana? So why? First question is that one. Next the second B one is what did the flock of a swan look like and how it looks like. What did the Siddhartha do when his cousin shoot down a swan? Why was Devadatta angry? Which according to the king is most precocious gift of all? So what is the most precocious? These are the A, B, C, D, E first answers. So next choose the correct answers are there. Once look at this, first bit it is question answers, next bit is choose the correct answers. So we have to choose one, that is correct one. Bit number 2 it is, so we have to choose only one, that is which one is right answer. So in the meadows the boys were laughing loudly playing, they saw a flock of swans. So these all are very correct. In the meadows the boys were seen laughing loudly playing, they saw a flock of swans. So this is the first bit is A1 is all of the above. So this is the A1. So that is fourth one. So second one is Siddhartha ran to the wounded swan and killed it, came back to play, took it to the physician, none of the above. So he has been took to physician, that is they saw a flock of swans, that is third one. So C1 is when the king heard of the incident he scolded Devadatta, called the physician, set the swan free, none of this above. So he didn't do what who did it. When the king saw the incident, none of this he had been did it. So just to give justice there. Okay, none of the above, that is fourth one. D1 is at the end of the story Devadatta all of this learn a lesson, promise never to hurt animals, was very sorry. So this all of above this. So all of the above, that is fourth one. So these are the choose the right answers to the question. So here now we have been completed the bit number 2, that is choose the correct answers. So third one, now fill in the blanks using the right words from the box. So what is asking here? Bit number 3 is asking to choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answers from the blanks. That is bit number 3. So here he given like a poem, no, he given like a paragraphs and middle. He just like a lesson he given. In the middle of that we have to set these right boxes. From the boxes we have to write the answers. So Siddharth dash animals. First I will read it and after that I will write the answers. Siddharth loved animals. He never harmed them. Once he was playing along with his cousin. His cousin shoot a bird and it fell down. Siddharth picked up the bird and removed the arrow. When the king called him, he was not afraid. He told the king that birds are free and should not be captured. He set the swan free. So this is the afraid, removed, loved, picked, harmed, free, set, captured, shot, cousin. So these are the words he given in the boxes. We have to arrange it and write in the first one is Siddharth loud. First one is LOVED loud. So dashes are there. The first one is loud. He never harmed. So these are the linely he given the next. Second one cousin. This is third one is cousin. His cousin shoot. The fifth one is picked. Next removed. Next afraid. Free. Next captured and set. So children once here how it is one blank lo rendu unnai kabatti nenu rendu loud, harmful, cousin, short, picked, removed, afraid, free, captured, set. I wrote for you to understand. Okay, like this I have been wrote. So next bit number 4 we will move. So this one has been completed. We will go move to the bit number 4. So here again bit number 4 children. He given meanings words. So look at from the word story convene the same meaning. We have to mean same meaning undali ani cheptunnadu. So here meaning and word. So first one is meaning what? A, B, C, D, E, F. So F words are there children. Here grassy field, case of for arrow. Next Vento, skillful in using hands, doctor, call. So first one is grassy field. Grassy field. Second one, first we'll write the meanings. Arrows. Next went through. Skillful in using hands. Even doctor. Next called. So these are the F bits. So we have to write meanings here. So meanings we have wrote. We have to write words. Meadows. The first one is meadows, grassy field. Next one is Q river. Cure. Next one is recounted. Next one is defeatedly. Physician. The last one is summon. These are the summon. These are the meanings and words that we have given here in the bit number 4. So here pick out the words from the story that means as. So here I wrote for you meadows, river, recounted, immediately physician, summed. So now I'm bit number 5. So here bit number 5 is there. Bit number 5, the A1 is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D are there. It is a 4 A, B, C, D. To decide upon something, take a decision. D, E, C, I, S, I, O, N. Decision. Carefully. Defeatedly. Precautious. Very valuable. Precautious. Promise to do something. Owed. These are the 4. Bit number 5 are given here for you children. So here we completed 5 bits children. So we are moving to the 6th bit. Here is saying always in the English, say loudly is there. So say loudly is there. So I have been completed the bit number 5. So 6th one is say loudly. Knee. It's a K. Knee ante K vastundi. No. It's again K. Switch. TH. Walk. L. Write. W. So these are the letters that are silent. Letters, some more words in which certain letters exist but the silent are not pronounced. So here talk. So here once look at known. N-O-W also. No. K silent. Again E. N-E. So like this only some more words he given. Allowed to say flower, knee, doubt, hood, right, night, talk, with, often. So first one is flower, F. Hood, L. Top, L. Knee, K. G. T. B. G. T. These are the silent words from the here. Flower, knee, doubt, would, right, night, talk, which, often. These are the silent letters from these words. So hot question, creative writing, discuss, this all. Just you read it and do it. Animals are your friend. Write a paragraph. He is telling in the 8th bit. So discuss how are animals useful to us. Everybody in the class must participate in the discussion and share at least one idea. So here we have been completed the lesson. So here negative sentences are there. Grammar part we are going to the grammar part. Negative sentences we are moving to the negative sentence. Negative sentence. So these are the negative sentences are there. Look at the following sentence. I do not like to wake up early. So negative ante endo chuddam ippudu. If the above sentences the word not indicates negative. Negative ante naku nenu cheyyanu. I will not do. So do it. I will do. I will not do. So here I do not like to wake up early. I will not give you my pencil. So these are the negative sentences he given for the example. Grammar part. So here first bit we have to change the following to the negative. So like ni naku ishtam ledu. Positive ante I like you. I like you very much. That is positive sentence. Negative ante I don't like you. I don't like you. So these are the negative sentences are there. First A1. So bit number 1. I like eating salad for dinner. I do not like eating salad for dinner. So this is the negative sentences. So B1. Sohan loves to swim. He does not Here it is changing. Does not. Do not Radu. Does not. Sohan does not like. Okay. To swim. So he does not like to swim. The library will be closed tomorrow. Will not be closed tomorrow. It will be not closed tomorrow. So here, children, it is looking for you. So here again. Next, moving to the D. Moving to the D1. Eating sugar is good for health. Eating sugar is not good for health. Eating sugar is not good for health. It's not good for health. So this is the D1. So last one it is E1 is I do not like. I like to drive when it's poor. I do not like to drive when it pours. So these are the negative sentences he has been changed. He told to be changed for us. So it is very easy, children. You can also do it. So bit number 2 it is, you can do it at homework. Bit number 2. So bit number 2 in the textbook only you do it. Page number 56. So I will go to degrees of comprehension. So here he is asking to the comprehension. So positive degree, comprehensive degree, superlative degrees is going bold, bolder, boldest. This one already I explained you. Test, tester, test, test. Most, moster, mostest. So like this, the supplement positive degree, comprehensive degree, superlative degree. So here I explained you in the previous class for you. So here underline the words in the sentences that indicates the degree of a comprehension. So now we are moving to the grammar. Already I explained you positive, negative degrees. Sorry, I explained you negative sentences. So now we are moving to the underline the words in the sentences that indicates the degrees of comprehension. Degrees ni comprehension lo cheyamantunnaru. So first one is Rosie was a useful metal in the past. Platinum is more valuable than gold. Mohan is the best player in his school team. Vidya is the most beautiful girl in our class. Saurav's batting is better than his bowling. So Brozo is a useful. So page number 57. That is, it here A1 will become useful. The underlined word is useful. Platinum is more valuable. It is more valuable. C1 is best. D1 is most beautiful. Most beautiful. Next E1 is better. B-E-T-T-R. So these are the E bits he given here. Useful. Underline, you have to underline these words. So you have to underline these words. First one is useful, more valuable, best, most beautiful, better. So in this only the bit number 2 also I will complete off for you, and the picture comprehension you do it as homework. So here very less homework we are giving for you. You can also complete in the textbook very easily, children, with the help of your mind. Little bit if you keep your mind, you will be success in every. So bit number 2. So here bit number 2 is there, children. So first one is A, B, C, D, E. So first one in filling the blanks, with the correct form of adjectives given in the bracket. Adjective wide, wider. So heavy, heavy. Good, best. More important. So ikkada adjectives meeku anni already explain chesanu. First one is it is wider. WIDER, wide, wider. Heavy, it's already heavy. Best, more important ని more important చేశారు ఇక్కడ, ఎక్కువ important. Hottest. So here children, once again I will explain you. The school playground is dash, then my colony playground wider. Metal is very dash to carry, heavy. My mother's cook in the dash in the world, good, best in the world. Doing right is dash than being right, important, more important. Today is dash day of summer, hotter. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bit E. So picture comprehension is there. Picture comprehension, picture ante you have to see here. Look at the picture children, everyone. So here picture is looking for you. So please, Riya is skipping and Maya is watching. Write the conversation between Mohan and Maya. Skipping chestundi, so she is watching. Conversation ante sambhashana, you have to write to between both. So this also you write in the textbook children. So today we have been completed this lesson also children. So thank you very much to listen my lesson and keep some more interest, and you also do better to your parents and read. Education is very important. Thank you very much children.